Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is comparing quantities. So as we are proceeding the exercise 8.2, and we have completed question number 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. I told you that how to find the percentage. Fourth question, first part we have done. Second part we can see now. B part. In B part we have to find 1% of 1 hour. 1% of 1 hour. One percent means 1 upon 100. Of means 1 hour. So that can be written as 0.01 if we are not changing that hour into minutes. Second method is 1% of 1 hour means in 1 hour 60 minutes are there. So that answer was in hour. Here 1 upon 100 into 60. So this is this. So 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10, means 3 upon 5, or we can say 0.6 minutes. Answer can be in hours or in minutes. If in hours 0.01 hour, or if in minutes 0.6 minutes. So like this we can do. The next part is 20% of rupees 2500, you can do directly. D, 75% of 1 kg. So if you want the answer in 1 kg, then you are not supposed to change. Then if you want the answer in grams, then you are supposed to find 75% of 1000 grams, because in 1 kilogram there are 1000 grams. After that, we will discuss the next question, that is question number 5 part. First, find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600. If 5% of it is 600, so we have to find the whole quantity whose 5% is 600. Let the whole quantity be x. So 5% of x is 600, that is given. So we can find out 5% means 5 upon 100 into x is equals to 600. So x will be equals to 600, that 100 will go upside, 5 will go downside, into 100 upon 5. 5 1 5, 5 to 10, 0, means x will be equals to 12,000. 5% of 12,000 is 600. We can verify. We can find out 5% of 12,000. 5% means 5 upon 100, of means multiply 12,000. So 2 0 cancel out, 2 0, 12 5 is 60, 0, 600, means 5% of 12,000 is 600, and that is right. So like this we can do. In the meantime, we can discuss one more part from this question. %12 of its, that is B part, 12% of it is rupees 1080. Let the whole quantity be रुपीज़ x. टोटल हमारा x है जिसका 12% हमारा कितना है 1080. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 12% of x is equals to 1080 means 12 upon 100 into x is equals to 1080. X will be equals to 1080, 100 will go upside and 12 will come downside. So 12 9 ja 108 and then 0, then x is equals to 9000. So the total quantity is 9000. If we calculate 12% of 9000, we will get 1080. You can verify that as we have done in the previous part. Afterwards, the next question, when we are supposed to, in question number 6, we are supposed to convert the percentage into fraction. That is question number 6, part A, that is given 25%, 25%, we are supposed to convert into fraction. 25% means 25 out of 100. So now we can cancel out that 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 400 means 1 upon 4 is the fraction which represent 25%. At the same time, the B part is 150%. 150% means 150 out of 100. So 0 cancel out. Percentage means out of 100. 0 cancel out 0. 2 3 5 3 is 15 and 5 2 is 10 means 3 upon 2, or this is the improper fraction. So we can change that into mixed fraction, that will become 1 and half. At the same time, if 20% is there, that is the C part. 20% means 20 out of 100. Then 1 0 cancel out. 1 0 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, that is 1 upon 5. 20%, if you are supposed to convert into fraction, that will be 1 upon 5. So like this we can proceed the questions given in this exercise. And now we will discuss the next question, that is question number 7. That is a word problem. So first of all, we will read the question, what is given in the question. In a city, 30% are females, 40% are males, and remaining are children. What percent are children? Percentage of females and percentage of males. Females are 30% and males are 40%. Percentage of males and females means percentage of both. For both, we are supposed to add 30% plus 40%, that is 70%. Percentage of children according to a question, and remaining are children. Remaining means the total percentage is 100. So 100% minus what is the percentage of males and females, that is 70%. So that will be the remaining, and the remaining are children, that will be 30%. percent. So at last we are supposed to supply the answer in the form of language, as the question is the word problem. What percent are children? So we can say 30% are children. So like this we can proceed the questions. First of all, you are supposed to repeat the questions what we have discussed in this video. At the same time, if we have left some of the parts for you, then you are supposed to try those parts. Afterwards, you can try the upcoming questions, that is question number 8 and 9. And if you are facing any kind of problem, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubt so that you can easily proceed the questions given in the exercises. At the same time, after completing the work, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can also maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on the daily basis. Thank you very much.